Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Concat in Excel with comma. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data, the first name, middle name and last name. So here I'm going to use the Concat. So let's start. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and just enter the Concat and select the first text, then comma, select the second text, comma, select the third text and bracket closed. Here you can see the all three name is joined together. Okay. The second way you can use the concat and simply drag with the mouse and select the all three name and bracket closed, enter. Okay. So you can see the all three name is joined together. But here I want comma after the first name, middle name. So here I just edit this formula. I remove this. Okay. Text 2, text 3. And after the first text, use the comma, use the double quote, then use the comma, again use the double quote, comma, and select the second text. Same as comma, double quote, comma, select the third text. Bracket closed and just enter. See the changes? The comma between the all three names. See? Okay. So this is a way you can use the concat in Excel with comma. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.